Good morning, students. We are learning second chapter of geography, that is physical features of India. In this series, in our previous class, we all have learned about Himalayan mountains. Today we are going to learn about northern plains of India. Students, before going in detail about northern plains, we all should know the formation of northern plains. The northern plains or the Great Plains in India were formed from the sedimentary deposits brought by the river from the Himalayas by its erosion. Basically, rivers like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Indus were responsible in the formation of northern plains because they brought the sediments like alluvium from the Himalayan region and deposit it in this region, hence leading in the formation of northern plains. Students, this northern plain has its own significance in Indian physiographic division because this northern plain soil is very fertile, which is needed to grow crops. Hence, if I say that northern plains are the granary of India, it will not be a hyperbole. Students, you all should know the extension of northern plains in our country. Basically, if I say from east to west, northern plains are extended in the region of Assam, some part of Meghalaya, Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, and some parts of Rajasthan. Students, these are the main rivers which flow in this region like Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Ganga, Yamuna, Gandak, Kosi, Brahmaputra. These are the major rivers of this region. They flow with their tributaries and fed this region and makes it very fertile. The rivers in their lower course split into numerous channels due to the deposition of silt known as distributaries. The northern plain is divided into three sections: Punjab plains, Ganga plain and Brahmaputra plains. The northern plain has formed by the interplay of three major river systems, namely the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. The plain is formed of alluvial soil, the deposition of alluvium in a vast basin lying at the foothills of the Himalayas over millions of years formed this fertile plain. It spread over an area of 7 lakh square kilometer. The plain being about 2400 kilometer long and 240 to 320 kilometer broad. It is densely populated physiographic division. Children, why it is densely populated? Because human finds all the favorable condition for their existence in this region. This region has a very fertile soil which is very much needed for agriculture. These plains these plains had a topography which is very much favorable for the establishment of industries as well as favorable for transportation also. So this area is densely populated. The northern plain is broadly divided into three parts. The western part of northern plain is referred to as Punjab plains, formed by the Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of this plains lies in Pakistan. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and the Teesta river. It is spread over the states of North India like Haryana, Delhi, UP, Bihar, partially Jharkhand and West Bengal to its east. Children, one thing or the fact that is to be kept in mind is that the questions like this can arise. The Ganga plain extends between dash and dash river